Hey, how's it going? You got your last day of the week. Fridays are going to be pretty relaxed throughout the year. We are either going to do kind of review type stuff when we're getting into more intense content, but we're generally always going to have kind of a goofy or a fun or a less intense warm up for the day. So for today, you really just got to go in and read the quote, which is the expert in anything was once a beginner, and then respond to the question in the chat, which is what is something you're good at now that used to be really hard? So my example is that back in high school, I was pretty useless. I mean, I'm fairly useless now, but I'm better. Back in high school, I tried to make a box of mac and cheese, and I thought I was reading the directions right. And it's one of the simplest things. I've seen almost toddlers make themselves some mac and cheese, and I somehow botched the whole process and ruined the whole box. And my mom had a very great look of disappointment on her face, but also was upset that I wasted all that food. Fast forward 10 years later, and I'm actually a pretty good cook. I know how to do a lot of different things. I've studied a bunch of stuff. I keep doing it. I've learned through all my failures. And if you compare me to a lot of people my age, I'm the one you call to make something to get it done. So start off absolutely awful and have somehow made it to pretty good.